this is an exciting project. This is, you know, every broker that works the high desert market, the Mojave River Valley market, will tell you there's really no industrial space to speak of. We've been tracking this project for well over 2 years. There are two partners, Track and Gustavo, that build this. They are very well known in the shutter business, so they have a very successful shutter company. They're building out of Chino Hills and I believe out of Dallas. We've tracked them. We are listing this property. It's a shade less than 70,000 square feet of leasable buildings. There's 5 buildings. They range in size from 9,000 to 17,000 square feet. But what makes this interesting is that we have some buildings in the back that have some truck wells. And the one thing that we don't have up here are enough buildings that have truck wells in it. So our asking rate, which we're pretty firm on, and we've had no problems putting this out early, is $1.25 a foot triple net. And the back building will be upwards to $1.75 a foot triple net. I don't think we're gonna have any problem. We're looking for long range, really good quality tenants. We have partnered with Mike Pulley with First Commercial out of Upland. Mike is incredibly well known. We're going to be doing a lot of work with him on up here. Mike is in 8 states with 40 million square feet of property. And so what makes it nice is we do our job as leasing agents. The developers, Track and Gustavo, are able to sit back, and Mike Pulley and his great team of professionals, he has, I believe, about 200 people working in 8 states, will be able to take care of the day-to-day management here. So we want really good quality tenants that are looking for a great landlord, a great location. We're right off of Eucalyptus. We're here on Darwin, and we should have this property ready to be fully marketed sometime probably the first part of March of 2023. My number is 760-951-5111. I'm at extension 101. If you missed me, feel free to ask for Francisco Diaz at extension 102. Thanks very much.